This is the Loan Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to file your taxes. First, gather all necessary documents, including income statements like Form W-2 and Form 1099, and records for any potential deductions or credits. Organizing these materials, such as bank statements and investment summaries, will streamline the entire process. Having everything ready before you start helps ensure accuracy and saves valuable time. This initial step is crucial for a smooth tax filing experience. Next, you'll need to choose how you want to file. You can opt for electronic filing, which is often faster, or submit your return by mail. Many people use tax software for guidance, while others prefer the expertise of a professional tax preparer. Also, determine your correct filing status, whether you're single, married filing jointly, or another category, as this impacts your tax situation. Now it's time to complete your tax return. Carefully report all your income sources and calculate your adjusted gross income. Then, apply any eligible deductions and credits you qualify for, as these can significantly reduce your taxable income. Take your time to ensure every number is correct and all sections are filled out accurately. Precision here prevents future issues. Finally, thoroughly review your entire tax return one last time for any potential errors or missing information. Once you're confident everything is correct, submit your completed return by the official deadline. If you owe taxes, make sure to arrange your payment. If you're due a refund, you can then anticipate its arrival. Congratulations, you've filed your taxes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.